Maintaining good blood flow and circulation is crucial for overall health and vitality. But did you know that the key to enhancing circulation might just be hiding in your kitchen? Join us as we explore 10 delicious and nutritious foods known for their ability to promote blood flow. Stick around to find out how these foods can give your body a natural boost and make you feel amazing. Number 1. Pomegranate. Pomegranates, known for their juiciness and sweetness, are packed with beneficial compounds like polyphenol, antioxidants, and nitrates. These compounds have been found to have vasodilating effects, meaning they can help relax and widen blood vessels. Research suggests that consuming pomegranate juice, raw fruit, or supplements may improve blood flow and oxygenation of muscle tissue. This can be particularly beneficial for active individuals, such as weightlifters. In fact, a study conducted in 2016 observed that elite weightlifters who consumed 17 ounces, 500 milliliters of pomegranate juice daily, either during or before weight training, experienced reduced muscle soreness, muscle damage, and inflammation. These findings indicate that pomegranate juice could potentially aid in exercise recovery for athletes. Number 2. Onions. Onions, both red and white varieties, are not only a culinary staple but also offer several health benefits, including cardiovascular support. These pungent and flavorful vegetables contain sulfur compounds and antioxidants that contribute to heart health. One notable compound found in onions is called quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that possesses anti-inflammatory properties. Quercetin has been linked to a reduction in blood pressure, improvement in blood vessel function, and a decrease in the risk of heart disease. Furthermore, onions are a good source of chromium, a mineral that has been associated with maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels are important for overall cardiovascular health. Number 3. Ginger. Ginger is another fantastic food that can contribute to improved blood flow and circulation. This root spice has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties and unique flavor. One of the ways ginger helps in blood flow is by acting as a vasodilator. It helps to relax and widen the blood vessels, allowing for smoother and more efficient blood circulation throughout the body. This enhanced blood flow can benefit various organs and tissues, ensuring they receive an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients. In addition to its vasodilatory effects, ginger also has anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can contribute to narrowed blood vessels and impaired circulation. By reducing inflammation, ginger helps to maintain healthy blood vessel function and promotes optimal blood flow. Before we proceed to the next surprising food, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 4. Turmeric. Turmeric has long been used in ancient healing practices like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine for its ability to improve circulation, all thanks to a special compound called curcumin. Curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help protect against heart disease. It has been shown to improve endothelial function, reduce oxidative stress, and lower inflammation markers in the body. In a study involving 39 participants, they took a daily dose of 2,000 milligrams of curcumin for 12 weeks. The results were impressive. Their blood flow in the forearms increased by 37% and in the upper arms by 36%. These findings highlight the amazing potential of turmeric to support better blood circulation, contributing to overall wellness. Number 5. Leafy Greens. Leafy greens are essential for maintaining good overall health, including cardiovascular health. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and other leafy greens are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like magnesium and potassium. Vitamin K, found abundantly in leafy greens, promotes healthy blood clotting and prevents excessive bleeding. It plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood vessel walls and reducing the risk of arterial calcification, which can lead to restricted blood flow. Additionally, leafy greens contain dietary nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide acts as a vasodilator, relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. By incorporating leafy greens into your diet, you provide your body with the necessary nutrients to support optimal circulation. Number 6. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, including oranges, grapefruits, and lemons, are renowned for their high vitamin C content. Alongside its immune-boosting properties, vitamin C plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood vessels and improving blood flow. Vitamin C is necessary for the production of collagen, a vital structural protein that provides strength and elasticity to blood vessels. Adequate collagen production ensures the integrity and flexibility of blood vessel walls, promoting healthy blood flow and minimizing the risk of blockages or restrictions. In addition to vitamin C, citrus fruits contain other helpful compounds such as flavonoids and antioxidants that enhance cardiovascular health. These compounds have been associated with reduced inflammation, improved endothelial function, and lower risk of heart disease. Number 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, chia seeds, and walnuts, are excellent sources of healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, all of which support optimal cardiovascular health. Healthy fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, help lower bad cholesterol levels and raise good cholesterol levels. By replacing unhealthy fats, such as trans and saturated fats, with healthy fats from nuts and seeds, you promote healthy blood lipid levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Fiber is another essential nutrient found in nuts and seeds that plays a crucial role in cardiovascular health. Dietary fiber can help lower blood cholesterol, regulate blood sugar levels, and reduce inflammation. By consuming adequate fiber, you promote healthy blood vessel function and support optimal blood flow and circulation. Additionally, nuts and seeds are rich in vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and vitamin E, which contribute to healthy blood pressure levels and overall cardiovascular function. Number 8. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate, specifically varieties with a high cocoa content, 70% cocoa or higher, can have cardiovascular benefits when consumed in moderation. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, which are antioxidants that promote heart health. Flavonoids found in dark chocolate have been associated with several cardiovascular benefits, including improved blood flow, reduced blood pressure, and decreased inflammation. These compounds help relax and dilate blood vessels, leading to better circulation and lower risk of blood clots. Moreover, dark chocolate has been shown to increase the levels of beneficial good cholesterol while reducing bad cholesterol oxidation, which is a key factor in the development of atherosclerosis. It is important to note that while dark chocolate can have positive effects on cardiovascular health, moderation is key. Aim for a small portion, about 1 ounce, of high-quality dark chocolate per day, as it still contains calories and fats. When choosing dark chocolate, opt for varieties with higher cocoa content and limited added sugars. Enjoy it as a standalone treat or incorporate it into recipes like homemade trail mix or as a topping for Greek yogurt with fruits and nuts. Number 9. Garlic. Garlic has been prized for its medicinal properties for centuries and is renowned for its heart-healthy benefits. It owes its beneficial properties to sulfur compounds, particularly allicin, which contribute to its impressive health benefits. Recent studies suggest that these sulfur compounds in garlic can improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure. Garlic helps relax blood vessels, making it a natural supporter of healthy circulation. An interesting study involving 42 individuals with heart disease examined the effects of garlic powder tablets containing 1,200 milligrams of allicin. Surprisingly, those who took these tablets twice a day for 3 months experienced a notable 50% improvement in blood flow through the upper arm artery compared to those who received a placebo. Garlic also possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation that contribute to heart disease. Number 10. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants and flavonoids that promote excellent cardiovascular health. These compounds have been shown to improve blood vessel function, reduce inflammation, and boost circulation. The rich antioxidant content in berries helps combat oxidative stress, a common factor in cardiovascular diseases. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and the body's antioxidant defenses. Furthermore, the flavonoids present in berries, specifically anthocyanins, have been found to support the dilation of blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow. By promoting relaxation and flexibility in the arterial walls, anthocyanins help maintain healthy blood pressure levels and reduce the risk of hypertension. Thank you for watching, and make sure to watch more amazing videos from our channel.